Hey there, my name is Bobby, and I love to watch YouTube videos on owning and running an online business. But very often I come across these how to make money online videos with some extraordinary claims like $35,239 in one day. This free bot makes you $700 per day. Earn $91 per hour by just watching videos. Now, I'm not saying that any of this is untrue, but to be honest, it makes me wonder why there are so many people battling in the world if these claims are true. So instead of me thinking these claims are a bunch of bull, and to be honest I think most of them are, I thought, let me give these YouTube creators a chance and test some of these claims out to see if they really work. Surely these creators have their audience's best interests at heart and really want to help people out. To be honest, I'm not holding my breath. But my plan is to keep an open mind while doing this. I think this will be fun, so I'll be the guinea pig. Why not join me for the ride? If you enjoy these types of videos, please could you do me a solid and like the video. Let's see if we can get this video to 50 likes. Feel free to comment with links to videos you want me to test out, so you don't have to. Or just comment on the method revealed in this video and tell me what you think. Also, please remember to subscribe to my channel and push the notification bell to keep posted of all videos I upload. Before we start, I just want to mention something regarding these opportunities I've been testing. All these opportunities I've tested in the past week or two are bringing in absolutely no results, not even a few cents. And I kind of knew that before I got into this. I will be doing a video update by the end of this week on the opportunities I had to let run for a few days, so stay tuned for that. And I am considering starting a new series where I run an affiliate marketing campaign from $0 to $1,000 or something similar using free traffic strategies. This will be a proper challenge, so no BS clickbait headlines. With that in mind, I'm not sure how long the series will run for, but I will document the whole process until I reach $1,000. If that interests you and you're not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. And while you're there, please also hit the like button. If you do want me to keep testing these make money or online opportunities I find on YouTube, please also leave a comment below stating make money online. Now onto this creator's video. If you're interested in watching everything the creator says, I've left their video link in the description below. I'll also post all links mentioned in my video in the description. I, however, won't be posting any CPA affiliate network links as I got a community strike for posting CPA grip on the last video. So you'll just have to Google the CPA affiliate networks I mentioned in the video. When I need to create counts, write posts or comments, I will fast forward through that part so I don't bore you. I will, however, show you the posts or comments I have written once I'm done. And then the last thing is to remember to stay until the end of the video so you can see if this method gets me any results. In this video we're looking at today, the video creator claims we can make over $1,400 per day with a set and forget system that uses CPA marketing. So let's get into it. So the first website we have to go to is cpalead.com. So you can just Google CPA Lead or just type in the address bar cpalead.com. As I said, I'm not going to put any CPA affiliate networks in the description any longer. If you don't have an account, just the first thing you're going to do is just click on the sign up button. And you'll scroll down here. You can do a one-click sign up with Google, or just complete your details here and then submit your information. I do have a CPA Lead account, so I'm going to log in quickly. When the creator shows us his dashboard, it shows that he made over $1,400 that day, and the previous day he made over $900. So again, it's nice results, but can we replicate that? I don't know. He also goes and refreshes a page to show us that the proof is real. The creator then goes on to show us a dummy account that made him 41 cents today and yesterday made him 99 cents. So I'm not sure if he's using the same method in this dummy account. So once you're in your dashboard, the creator says we need to go to offer wall, and then you click on offer wall and it brings down the drop down menu and you click create offer wall. So how this works is the visitor clicks on your link and they're taken to this offer wall. Yes, and they're presented with multiple offers that they can complete. The creator then says we can choose one of the themes, and he chooses this first one, so I'm just going to go with that one as well. Okay, so the first thing we need to do when we get here is just name the offer wall. So he calls it offer wall CPA testing, so I'm just going to call it something similar. So the page header we need to change as well, and he says this is quite important because this is what your site visitor will see. So I've named mine Best App Testing Profits for 2022. Under app wall instruction text, he says we must just change this slightly. So it says install an app below to earn, and he says you put in there $5. Okay, in this section where it says offer wall instruction test, we just again put $5. The offer title link, he says we can leave as 25. And then this point setup we can just leave as is, and then click create offer wall. You'll then get this message saying success, and then we can click this button that says view code. Then we need to grab this link under direct link and then just copy it and just paste it somewhere for now. So the creator goes and opens this link in a new tab, so I'm going to do that as well. Okay, well, I'm getting nothing. I'm not sure if it's because I'm in South Africa. Alright, I just connected to my VPN, and then this does come up, and these are the offers that they get, so it doesn't look like it's working in South Africa. So the link is working, and this VPN I've set for United States. So let's hope the traffic comes from the United States or countries that can complete these CPA offers. The creator then says he's going to show us how we can get over 5,000 visitors to our link. So the creator calls this an underground method. So let's see what it is. The website we're going to use to get the traffic is Instagram. So that I've come through to Instagram and I've logged into my account. The creator says we can use an existing account with hopefully some content and followers. Now, this Instagram account of mine doesn't have content or followers, so I'm thinking I'm going to create a new account because I actually want to use this for my YouTube channel. So I think, yeah, let me do that. Let me create a new account specifically for this method. So I'll be back now once I've created the account. So I've created a new account and I've just added this logo I just quickly made, nothing fancy. And I've added some posts here. This I got from monthly content, and I've left a link in the description below. It's a PLR, MRR, and RR membership site where you can get it's over 10,000 products, and these I just got from there and posted these. And then I found this somewhere on the internet and I posted that. So just to make it look like I've got some posts on my profile. The creator mentions that we shouldn't worry that we don't have any followers. The first thing we need to do once we've created our profile and put in some posts, we need to edit our profile. So let's click on that. We then just need to come to this website and bio, and we need to add some content in there. So I'm just going to copy some of his stuff here. Right, so this is what I've just put in my bio. I kind of copied the creator's wording, not word for word, but I just mixed it up a little. Then he says what we need to do is go to a website called Bitly. Let's head over there. Right, we need to just click on this create button. We need to just grab our direct link here from CPA Lead and copy that. Go back to Bitly and just paste it in here where it says enter long URL and click create. Alright, great, and then we can just change this back part So I've said app tester 2022. You can just copy that link and go back to Instagram and then just paste it into the website section there. Right, then once we've done that, we just click submit. And then you get this message that says profile saved. Let's go to our profile. Alright, so there's the link to our CPA offer, or our CPA, what's it called? Our CPA offer wall. And then there's just some of the content I wrote in my bio. So the next website we have to go to is called SEO Clerks.com. So the creator says this website is similar to Fiverr, but you can find gigs that are much cheaper. So in the search bar, yeah, the creator says we need to type in Instagram promotion. And then he highlights this one here, the promotion via shoutout on 3 million followers, Instagram, something prof. So he suggests we use this guy. So it looks like what we're going to do is send our guy our profile to do a shout out. And yeah, and then we should get about 1,000 to 1,200 Instagram followers, and it will be sent to 3 million of his followers. And I suppose we're hoping that they click on that link and complete some of those surveys so that we can make money. The creator says we can open this, and as you can see here, it will only cost you $3. Right, so he ends his video there, so I'm going to quickly sign up. I will order this gig and then we'll see what happens. Right, so I've signed up and I'm going to click this order now. There's a whole bunch of other extras you can choose here, but the creator doesn't mention you have to choose any of these. So I'm going to click on checkout. And I'm going to use PayPal to pay for this. So I'm going to quickly do that, then I'll jump back to you guys. Right, so I've made the payment, and then I get brought to this page that says, thank you for your order. Please follow the instructions below to continue. So I suppose I need to do this now. So it just says, thank you for your order. Please send me your Instagram link with current followers. Note, make sure your account is public. So how do I make sure my account is public? Let's hit the settings again. Let's go privacy and security. Just make sure this is unchecked. So let's go back to my profile. Let's just copy this link. And then go back to SEO Clerks. And I'm just going to type in something here quickly. Alright, so all I've said is, hi, my Instagram profile link is that. There are no, let me check that spelling, there are no followers currently, and therefore I would like to use your services to get followers. Looking forward to a successful campaign, and just regards in my name. Then I can just click send. And that is it. So now I suppose we wait. So I'm going to let this run for a while, see if I get a response, and then I'll come back to you guys. It's a few hours later now, and I've received this email from SEO Clerks, saying that my order has just been updated. So if we go over to Instagram here, you'll see I already have 334 followers. Now when I refresh this, jumps to 405, and every time I refresh this, I'll give it a few seconds, and then I'll refresh it again, and you'll see my followers jump up. There we go, 420 now. So I'm getting these followers. I don't know if they're done by bots or what, But if we go to CPA Lead, and let's just refresh my dashboard. As you can see, I haven't made any money from it yet. So I'm getting the followers. Let's refresh it again. There you go. I'm up to 446 now. So in terms of getting followers, it's working like it says. But as of yet, I'm not making any money from it. But yeah, I'll maybe check in a day or two and see if I've made any money. Obviously, if I make money any sooner, I will update you. So that's it. There's nothing more to say really until we see if this method does start making some money. So this is another method where I will need to reserve my conclusion for a couple of days to see if any of these followers click on the link and complete the CPA offers. So I'll make one video by the end of this week with an update on all the videos that haven't had a final conclusion. So be sure to subscribe and watch out for that video. Thanks for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, please hit that like button to help my video reach many more people. See you on the flip side. Ciao.